Well, I took a little drive to a place we hadn't been before, and I let the dog go out, Duchessa. There's a beautiful white bird over there. Look at that. You see it? And she's gonna go check out everything around here. She's never been here before. In fact, she's checking out the bird. There she goes. Oh my gosh. The bird made a quick getaway. She wasn't expecting Duchessa, that's for certain. We did a test with an application where you take a picture of your dog, and it turned out she was like 60% chance of being English pointer, which are dogs that were made for hunting. I don't know if the app's good or not, but she sure likes to chase after birds and things. This is a mango orchard. This is where we get our mango trees, well, our mangoes, but it's not quite time yet for the mangoes. We have one tree at our house. It doesn't have any blossoms yet. This is a part of Spak that I haven't been to before. I think it's still Spak. She went back towards the truck. She doesn't go too far. She's never been here before, so she's checking everything out, May. Hey, Phyllis. She wants to find out what is around here, so she's sniffing at everything. You see my shadow? Hi, shadow. I take a lot of pictures of myself, Larissa, with just the shadow of me. I call them shadow selfies. Anyways, this is our little field trip today. We actually dropping off our garbage, and we just kept driving and driving. If you keep driving down this road, you'll get to a place called Toro Mocho, and then that's a little tiny town, and then you make a short, and it's a shortcut to get to the beach. So that's I was thinking of going that whole way, but it's a little bit late in the afternoon. It's almost 4 o'clock, so I decided just to stop here at this mango orchard that had the gate was open. So came in. People really don't care about you going onto their properties because it's not like you're going to come here and steal a tree. Now, you can see her, she's taken off now. She wants to go further and further away to see what's out there. Oh, there's another bird. She loves running after birds. She's never caught a bird in her life. Though I have seen a feather or two where she got close, but it's just having fun. Anyways, it's probably your bedtime, so I'll say good night. And thank you for that beautiful video you made, Larissa and Bennett and Laura and May and Erwin and Nancy and Imelda. Oh, wait a minute, you haven't had those yet. Okay, take it easy. Good night. Bye.